Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, please do hit subscribe. I make doodle related videos and different art form related videos. So just grab a pen and paper and start with me. So as you can see on the screen, I'm drawing some doodle character. Today's video is all about the emotion. I'll share the 5 basic emotion and some tips and tricks how you can make these characters. So before moving forward, I want you to understand and observe these shapes. I want you to draw with me. So just grab a pen or paper and draw with me. So while you are making this character, try to understand what types of line I have used, what types of shapes I have used, how are the corners are. You will notice that all the corners are rounded. So when you make sharp corners, it gives some strong and some thickness to that character or to that shape. But when you convert them into a rounded corner, it becomes just flowy and it just give a smooth surface and just provide some flowiness in the character. You will just feel the character is a lively now. So just try make different types of triangle, small and big, square, take any other shape like rectangle, hexagon, and then make a rounded corner in that. You will see the difference. And related to emotion, check out my other videos. You will find at least 10 to 15 ways how to draw eyes and mouth. But today I'll tell you what are the basic way to show any expression, the 5 basic expression. And other thing you will see, I'm adding some detail. I've added some lines outside the shape. So those lines are called gesture line, or you can say action line. So whenever you want to show some moving part or some action along with your shape doodle or character doodle, just add these 2 lines, a small lines, and you will see the difference in your doodle. And second thing, you can add hands and legs. I'm coming up with a video related to this, so make sure you subscribe my channel and so that you don't miss that video. You can find shapes in anything. Whatever object you see, you will see a shape in that. You will see a shape and a form. So today we are talking only about the shape. So just observe the things. If you want a video on this, then please do comment. I'll tell you how to observe the things. Okay, so here I've just taken a simple shape of a leaf and I'm trying to convert that into a character. This is just a basic level of doodling. So just start with this. Observe a thing, take a shape out of it, add emotion to it. Okay, and then add some detailing out of it. So let's start practice now. So now make different types of shapes and try to give a round corner to it. Go with any shape. It can be triangle, rectangle, square, hexagon, different types of rectangle in terms of width and length, anything, whatever you feel like. Don't limit yourself as per this video. Whatever comes to your mind, make that shape and try to give corner round. And slowly add some thickness to the lines also. You can play with the thin lines and thick line and see what you like the most. You can play around it. You can add thickness only one side. You can add thickness to 2 sides. Whatever you feel like, just explore some shapes and you are good to go into the further step. So here I'm just making one shape 5 times because we are talking about 5 emotion. You can take any shape, either rectangle, triangle, whatever you feel like. First, I'm making the emotion of neutral. What is neutral? This is a expressionless face. So everything should be straight. There is no expression in the face. In the second one, we are making a happy face expression. So eyes are normal and eyebrows lift up a bit, and mouth is a curvy line. You can make a open mouth and you can just make a simple curved line. Third expression is about anger. So whenever you try to make any expression, try to look yourself into a mirror and see how you are making that expression and apply same in the doodle. So in anger, when you are anger, your eyes something look like this. It will be come into an angle. So just try to apply this here. The fourth one is shocked. So whenever we are shocked, our eyebrows goes up. So I made a difference, a space there in between, and my mouth is open. And last one is the sad. This is easy. You just make a sad face, a downwards curve, and you come up with a sad. Now we will see how we can come up with more expression by using only these 5. So this is called a mix and match. You can take eyebrows from any expression and take mouth from any another expression and you get one. So let's see some example of it. So now after mixing 2 expression, I got some mysterious expression here. As a human beings, we have different types of expression. Even we can't name them. So have fun with it and create different type of expression by just mix and match these basic 5 face expression. And if you want to see how to draw different types of eyes and different types of mouth, or you want to see how you can draw more shape, then check out more videos. I will link them in my description box below, or you can check out my playlist that is called Learn Doodle Art. You will find all the videos there. And remember, have fun while you are doodling anything. It can be expression, anything. The more fun you have, the more creative ideas you will get. So now here I am mixing these 2. So remember the drill. The first one is the rounded edges. So whenever you come up with the shape or you take any other shape, just keep the corners rounded. Now then, second, understand the basic emotion. Remember, basic should always be clear. And the third one is mix and match. And you are good to go. You can start your doodle journey right now. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new. Thank you.